Samsung Electronics opened the next chapter in foldable innovation with two new smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Both devices are premium foldable smartphones built with the craftsmanship and flagship innovations Samsung users have come to love and expect. The third generation of these category-defining devices incorporates key improvements that Samsung foldable users have asked for, making them more durable, with more optimized foldable experiences than ever before. From iconic design to immersive entertainment, Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G and Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G offer users unique new ways to work, watch, and play.